What's up, Learn Machines? Welcome back to another video. So, how do you make like $5,000 per day with XVideos and Exoclick to like make money online with adult marketing? And this is going to be for beginners and everything. And I wanted to talk about this because it's extremely powerful. And if you're a beginner trying to make money online, or if you haven't like had success before yet, this is your moment, because this is like your opportunity, because adult marketing is like the cheapest thing in the world. I'm getting huge results with it. I'm at like $3,000 all the way to $10,000 days and higher with adult marketing, because it's just so cheap. There's like no competition. You can promote any offer out there and make just tons of money promoting it because of these reasons. And it's not strict at all. You could promote anything. And I recommend don't promote things too extreme or edgy, but like, promote good offers that convert, and you're going to make tons of money because the traffic is so cheap. And I mean, there's billions of impressions and clicks and everything per week, per day, per month. It's crazy. So let's talk about how you can actually make this kind of money and what to actually do to make it happen, guys. So from my experience, like, here's how you do it. So you want to just pick like 10 different offers. You want to make sure when you're picking these offers that they're actually good offers based off what you're seeing, based off, okay, the offer looks good. Okay, the website looks good. Is the EPC good? Like the earnings per click, how much you can make on average per click. If you want to, you can reach out to your affiliate manager and say, hey, are these specific offers good? And they'll tell you if they are or not, and even they'll give you suggestions of what to do. Ultimately, after you've picked the 10 different offers, what you want to do is you want to then put together ads. So you want to have like 5 different ads. You can have 3 if you choose to, but anyway, anywhere between 3 to 5 different ads. Then all you need to do, you load up these ads into Exoclick, or if you choose to, you could do Traffic Junkie as well. And these are adult marketing networks you can leverage for traffic. And like I said, there's billions of people to get in front of, and it's super duper cheap. And then you just run it, and your budget can be $100 if you choose to. You can really know with just $100 if an offer is actually converting. And if an offer is not converting, and then you just don't run it. Any offer, by the way, will always convert with enough traffic. You can make millions of dollars with even a crappy offer. The trick is, because you're doing paid ads, is to be profitable. There's always going to be someone who can make an offer work if it's a crappy offer. All you need is good marketing and a good angle and understanding psychology, and you can make anything work. I'm telling you, it's crazy. And I talk about all this and more and tons of different methods inside the Money Accelerator, which is like the best thing I've ever created, because I just have tons of like things you've never heard of before. If you're not inside the Money Accelerator, you are missing out. That's all I could say, because the methods inside of there got me results, they get my students results, and they make money. I mean, big money. A lot of them do. And there's free methods, paid methods, everything inside. But anyway, after you have 5 different ads, you're running it for like 3 days with a budget of whatever you choose. It doesn't matter as long as it's like over $100, okay? And then you're gonna look at the data, you're going to see what's working, and if nothing's working, then move on, okay? Find different offers. But if even one offer out of that is just doing way better than the rest, double down on it. So pick the best ad that was performing the best for that offer, understand why it did well, and then try and scale in different placements on that traffic source you're leveraging, and then scale as high as you can go until it starts to die down, because you just get in front of so many people. And you want to reinvest into growth. So let's say you only have $1,000 budget total. You're going to spend $1,000, and you're going to wait until you get paid again, and you're going to want to cash flow it fast. So you spend $1,000, you get paid 2 weeks later, then make sure you just average out your $1,000 to be like two weeks of spending. So you're going to spend like, let's just say $50 a day, for example, or whatever. You spend freaking $50 a day, you get paid 2 weeks later, and then you're profitable. Let's say you get $5,000 back. You then spend $5,000. Boom, 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 boom. You keep going. Okay, that's if you're starting small. If you have a big budget like me, you're going to spend $100,000 in 2 weeks, okay, or more. And you're going to scale it as quickly as you can so you don't get copied by people. Because discovering really successful paid ad campaigns with adult marketing is amazing. And when it happens, and it's not like super rare, especially when you know what you're doing. Like I'm saying, like, you gotta just understand psychology and have a system in place and find these good offers. And these offers are obvious to find. Good offers are obvious to find because they're good, they stand out, and the networks of offers, the CPA networks, they're going to just tell you what the top offers are because they want you to make money. And so you just promote them and boom, you're in the money. Now, if you just want to do straight up free traffic, and by the way, adult marketing basically is free traffic because it's just so cheap. It's less than a cent per freaking click usually, okay? Depending on the traffic source and the country and where you're targeting, all that stuff, but it's so cheap. It's less than Facebook and YouTube and all that stuff. Same people. And you could freaking crush it, okay? If you want to do free traffic, then what is free traffic? Free traffic is content marketing. And so if you want to go that route, you're all set. You just got to put more time in than money in. Sky is the limit amount of money you can make. Because if you combine doing great content on YouTube specifically, and let's say you're just doing adult marketing offers on Crack Revenue, for example, and you're like making content with them, you might have to blur things out if you're doing like adult offers, for example. But if you're doing any offer out there in the world and you're making content, trust me, you are going to make money because you're making content about these products and people get curious. And if it's good products and offers, people buy. And then you can then boost your content with paid ads and you're just going to make way more money and grow a long-term business. There's more elements to all of that, and I cover that inside the Money Accelerator and mentorship and coaching calls and all this stuff. But I don't need you guys' money. I only do that because it keeps the lights on, okay? I mean, I have business expenses, okay? Not like crazy high, but, you know, you got to sell things here or there. I'm telling you guys, this method works. Any method where you have a good offer plus paid traffic of any sort at scale equals millions and millions of dollars and long-term business. If you're like collecting emails or if you have a retargeting list or a customer base, you're going to make endless money. And the thing is, you only have to be successful one time in life. Like the first success I ever had allowed me to have so much capital available for more successes to snowball and grow. And I know it's the same for you. All you need to do is have one successful campaign, one successful business model, one successful method, and sky is the limit amount of money you can make after that because you then have more resources and a working method, system, or campaign that you can replicate or grow. This is what it's all about, guys. I'm telling you. So $5,000 a day is very easy to do with these adult traffic networks and like XVideos with Exoclick or Traffic Junkie and the Hub. You can literally scale so fast because the budget can be limitless and it's not strict at all, so you won't have any issues getting an account banned, guys. This is the best traffic source in the world to scale with in paid marketing because you'll never have an issue losing an account unless you do something like against terms of service, which terms of service is very not strict at all. You could go read it if you want to, okay? But I'm telling you guys, if you want to make $5,000, $10,000, $50,000, $100,000 a day, it's very possible with adult marketing. But if you just want to make a few $100 a day, it's more than possible with adult marketing. There's no competition, guys. You just have to pick good offers, test them, run them, optimize from there, and then scale and repeat and repeat and repeat, and you're all set, okay? If you guys want to get really, really big results, pretty soon I'm actually launching, and probably in the future if you're watching this, it's already out, but the Done For You service where I will actually help everyone get results as fast as possible and build a long-term business for themselves or method or campaign for themselves, and it will work, okay? I'm putting together how I'm going to do this for everyone who buys, okay? It's a big deal. And it's going to like change people's lives. So that's something I'm going to launch soon because I figure I have a little bit extra time for people where it will be worth it for me to help you out and get you guys results, okay? For those who need the help, okay? Who need the support and help and walk through and everything for me to help them out. So those who could do it yourself, I recommend get the Money Accelerator. I mean, everyone should be inside the Money Accelerator, okay? I already have a lot of people in and it's just growing, and I do freaking monthly giveaways in it of cash giveaways and give actual money from $1,000 to $10,000, already given away over $10,000 of money to people inside the Money Accelerator. It's only been out for a few months so far. It's freaking amazing. And I'm proud of it because I'm literally giving you guys like everything I've ever created regarding methods and stuff I don't even want to freaking share. But, you know, I decided to give it away because I understand that it's abundance, okay? You shouldn't have a scarcity mindset. You gotta freaking share everything out there that you're doing and get other people's results and change people's lives. That's what it's all about. So there you go, guys. For the price, it's literally so crazy how much I'm giving there for the price. So I need to make sure I stress how crazy it is. I'm just giving away too much for how much it costs, okay? So go check that out. Hop inside there. Go check out more videos, learn machines, and peace.